Hi, I'm Amanda Vanhoozier, and I'm with Bishop Hill Farm Flowers. I'm a flower farmer, and I am going to offer a class more in depth, more deep dive into how do you do a flower farm in North Texas. It's a 4-hour workshop, and we will take it from knowing what your mission is for your business and getting a good vision for your business, and then taking it to the ground. How do you get the right soil texture here in Texas, because we have unusual soil, and then also what are the varieties that work here and what makes a healthy plant, and then how do you harvest, and then post-harvest techniques to make the flowers last, and then finally going into marketing and the world of farmers markets. And then I will also do a follow-up next fall with you, because that will be a good time to get ready for the cooler season flowers. So right now we'll be talking a lot about the summer flowers, and then I will also give you support next fall, and it will be packed with resources, and you get to know other people, and you get to do it on my farm, Bishop Hill Farm Flowers.